Hello, my friends, first and second grade. This is Miss Tanya, and we are going to be focusing on our math book for the week of May 26th through May 29th. Only a 4-day week, so we're starting with Tuesday this week. All right, so for today, we are going to do lessons 10-2 and 10-3. All right, so for 10-2, we are going to be adding tens on a 100 chart. Okay, and when you look at the hundreds chart in your book here, you see that when you're adding tens on a 100 chart, you count by tens. So each time, like we start the first row is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then you see that in the second row here, the numbers are the same. So 1 has a 1 all the way down, just like that. And the numbers that change are in front. See? There's nothing here, and then it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Do you see that? Same with here. The sixes, all the sixes are all the way down, and the only thing that changes is that you keep adding another 10. So the numbers get a little larger each time, okay? So as it says here, when you add tens on a 100 chart, you count by tens. The ones digit in each number is the same as the ones digit in the number you started from. The tens digit of each number is one more than the tens digit of the number before. So all this part means is that from here to here, you go from 16 to 26. That just means that 1 and then 2. It's the next number up, okay? And then 2 to 3, so 26 to 36. It just goes up in one number in the tens place. That's all it means, okay? So let's go down here to number 1. Use the 100 chart to add tens to 16. So here we have 16, so starting at 16, and we're adding 10. And remember, when you're adding 10, we're going down one row, okay? So 16 plus 10 is 26, just like the example is here. Now let's do 16 plus 20. So 20 means we're going to go down 2 rows. Ready? So go to 16, and then let's count down 2 rows. 1, 2. What number did we end with? 36. Very good. And then 16 plus 30. So let's do that again. Start at 16 and go down how many rows? 3 rows. 1, 2, 3. 46. And then 16 plus 40. Same thing. Let's start at 16 and go down 4 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4. 56. Great job. What number did you count by on the 100 chart to find the answers? So what did we count? We counted by what number? We counted ones when I said 1, 2, 3, but the actual number is, because if we counted from this box to this box, let's count how many boxes there are. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's why we're counting by tens, all right? So this number means each time we go down a row, we're counting by tens. So say 10. Okay? Very good. So it says it wants us to find the missing digits to complete the pattern. Well, the only number that's really complete is the 62. So I'm going to go and I'm going to find 62 over here. And I notice, remember, the last numbers are the same as this. So the 2 is here, the 2 is here, and the 2 is here. But we know that the numbers get bigger when we go down and they get smaller when we go up. See how this one, there's a 5 and then there's a 6. So here's a 5 and then there's our 6. So what number was missing? The 2. So it's supposed to say 52, 62, and then if we keep that pattern, 52, 62, what's next? 72. So let's put a 7 there. And then what's our next number after 72? 82. Great job. Turn the page. All right, so we're going to use our 100 chart to add tens. So what I would suggest for you is to start here on that number, whatever number it is, 24, and we're going to count 30, which means we're going to go down 3 times or count by tens. So 24, let's count 10, 20, 30, and we ended at 54. Great job. What about here? 56 plus 20. Start at 56, and then plus 20 means we're going down 2 rows. 10, 20, 76. And then 13 plus 70 let's try that. 13, and then let's go 70. Let's count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. We ended at 83. And then 11 plus 80. Here's 11. And let's plus 80. So let's count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. 91 is our answer. 67 plus 10. Let's try that. 67, 10. Ooh, 77. Easy peasy. And then we have 39 plus 40. So let's find 39 and let's go plus 40. 10, 20, 30, 40. We ended at 79. Great job. All right, which number sentence is equal to 24 plus 10? So let's see, what is 24 plus 10? Let's see if we can find the answer to that first. So let's find 24. Oh, there's 24 right here. And then plus 10, we're going down one row to 34. So I'm just gonna write 34 here. And then let's see if we can add and find the answers to these and see which one matches, okay? So let's start with number A. Find 14 plus 10 is 24. And then let's do 14 plus 20. Here's 14, and let's go 10, 20, 34. And then we have 24 plus 20. Let's find 24, and then let's count 20. 10, 20. That ends 44. And then 34 plus 10. Here's 34, and then go down 10 to 44. So which answer was it that matches our 24 plus 10 to make 34? Was it A, or B, or C, or D? Yes, it's right here, letter B. Great job. All right, now let's look here at lesson 10-3. 10-3, it says you can count on by tens to add. So 28 plus 30 is the same as saying 28 plus 3 tens. So what we're doing is, just like on our number chart, we would go 28, 38, 48, 58. And that's how we get our answer of 58, okay? So we can use our numbers chart for that reason, okay? So number one, for example, it says 31 plus 50 is 31 plus how many tens? Remember, these are all tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So that's 5 tenths. And when we count, we go down. We're just adding the next number. Remember, it goes 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6, 6 to 7, 7 to 8. And the ones place, whatever is there, that number stays the same. Got it? So it says 41, 51, 61, 71, 81. Perfection. So 31 plus 50 is 81, okay? So for number 2, it says 52 plus 20. It's the same as saying 52 plus how many tens? 1, 2. So then we're gonna count. So remember, that 10th number is the one that changes. It goes up by 1. So we have 52, then we have 62, because that ones place has to stay the same. And then it goes up again. After 62, it's 72. So 52 plus 20 equals 72. All right, for number 3, it says 33 plus 40 is 33 plus how many tens? 1, 2, 3, and 4. We have 4 tens. So again, 33, and then it goes up by tens. Remember, that number goes up one time. So after the 3 comes a 4, and then that number in the ones place stays the same. So it's 33 to 43, and then from 43 goes up to 53, and then from 53 it goes up to 63, and then from 63 it goes up to 73. And then we're gonna stop there. 33 plus 40 is 73, okay? Awesome. Now, it says adding tens to 2-digit numbers. So write each number sentence. So we have 36 here in our brain, and then we're gonna add 20 more. And what's our answer going to be? So 36 plus 20, remember, after the 3, we have 4, 5. And that's where this 5 comes from. So it makes it 56 because our ones place has to stay the same. So our number that says think has to go in here. Okay. And then we're going to be adding how many of these tens places? We have 1, 2, 3, 4 tens, or that means we have 40. Okay, 40. So 54 plus 40 equals, can you tell me, does anybody know? All right, 54 plus 40, so we can go 54, 64, 74, 84, 94. Fantastic job. Okay, then we have over here, this next one, we have 63, so our think number goes first. And then we're gonna count what's next, one more 10, 63, 73. So plus 10 here, and that gives us 73. After this, we have 47, and we'll put our think number here, 47, and then we're gonna count up 3 times. 57, 67, 77. So there's our 30, and that equals 77. For number 5, Will has 24 crayons. He gets 4 more boxes of crayons. Each box has 10 crayons. How many crayons does Will have now? So remember, we have 24 to start with, and then he gets 4 more boxes. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? And then each box has 10 crayons, so that means we're gonna count up by tens. So remember, this number is gonna go up by 1. So it goes from 24 to 34, and then 34 goes up to 44, and then 44 goes up to 54, and then 54 goes up to 64. And that's our 4 boxes of crayons. So how many does he have now? He has 64, which is letter A. And that'll do it for Tuesday.